The centre has scrapped the no detention policy for classes 5th and 8th in government schools. In fact, allowing the management now to fail students who do not clear the year-end examination. That is what officials are telling us. Following the amendment to the Right to Education Act in 2019, at least 16 states and 2 union territories have already done away with the no detention policy for the 2 classes. According to the Gazette notification, after the conduct of regular examination, if a child fails to fulfill the promotion criteria, as notified from time to time, he or she shall be given additional instruction and opportunity for re-examination within the period of 2 months from the date of the declaration of the results. Let me go across to my colleague Tanushka, who's joining us with more details. Tanushka, a lot of educational experts are saying that this is, in a way, going back to the no pressure that that was envisaged as far as the Right to Education Act is concerned. What is the government's, in fact, reasoning for this?
The clarification to that, Ankit, is that the government has made it very clear that they will not be expelling any student until their elementary education is over, which means that even after and even if these students fail their examinations and do not get past the promotion mark criteria in the 5th class as well as the 8th class, they will be given 2 months of coaching and further guidelines as well by the teachers to reappear for the examination. And even after that, if they are unable to clear the re-exam as well, then they will have to repeat the 5th and 8th standards respectively, but they will not be expelled from the school. Now, this came in a gazetted notification by the central government, and it is an amendment to the Right to Education Act. And what we also know of this is that it has been already implemented in 16 states and 2 union territories. However, Haryana and Puducherry are state and a union territory respectively that is yet to get back on the same policy, whether or not they will implement this in their state and union territories.